Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by combining white vinegar and water one in a spray bottle and spraying a small test patch. You want immediate reaction without damage. While the vinegar soaks for 1-2 minutes, sprinkle a thin line of baking soda on the affected mineral spots. This creates a gentle fizz that lifts scale. Use a soft toothbrush to agitate stubborn rings. Work with the grain, not across it. Once done, wipe excess with a damp microfiber cloth to prepare for rinsing. Once the initial lift is visible, apply a baking soda paste. Mix 2 parts baking soda with 1 part water and spread it on heavy deposits. Let it sit 5 to 10 minutes to break bonds. Then scrub gently along the stainless steel grain with a toothbrush or a non-abrasive pad to avoid scratching. Make sure to rinse continuously with warm water to flush away loosened minerals and paste. After rinsing, dry immediately with a clean microfiber towel to prevent new spotting and inspect for any mist streaks. To finish, apply a few drops of olive or mineral oil to a soft cloth and buff along the grain to restore sheen and add short-term water resistance. This also hides faint marks. If you still see small white spots, respray vinegar and gently rework them, then rinse and dry thoroughly. Make sure to always dry immediately after cleaning to prevent recurrence. If you notice dull, pitted etching rather than removable deposits, stop. This indicates surface damage, and you should consult a professional refinisher before attempting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.